I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on Nissan Titan step by step. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and cooling the engine for 10 to 20 minutes before touching the drain plug. Lift the front with a proper jack and supports as needed. Prepare your drain pan and remove the oil cap to help flow. Work calmly, follow each step, and keep rags nearby for spills. Start by placing the drain pan under the oil pan and loosening the drain plug with the correct socket. Remove the plug and let the old oil drain fully, which usually takes a few minutes. Be patient and avoid tipping the pan. While draining, remove the oil cap to speed flow. Once the stream slows to a drip, reinstall the drain plug and torque it to the proper specification, wiping away any residual oil. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more useful guides for you. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you wait between steps, and it pairs perfectly with keeping a service log or manual handy. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After draining, remove the old filter and check the sealing surface for debris or damage. Lightly oil the new filter gasket and thread it on by hand until snug, then use the filter wrench for about 3/4 of a turn more. Refill the engine with the correct amount of 5W30 oil, start the engine briefly to circulate, then shut off and recheck the dipstick to confirm proper level. Clean up any spills and reset service reminders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.